Hola amigos, buenos días a todos. Estamos aquí con Andrés Alvarez, el comisario de la exposición, y yo mismo, el presidente de UBE. Aparte de la bienvenida que os va a dar Andrés, yo quisiera recalcar unas cosas importantes. Más de 5.000 personas han visitado nuestro evento este año. Participación de la Casa Real Española, de la Embajada de Japón en España y de la propia Alcaldía de Aranjuez. Y esperamos que los que hayáis estado os haya parecido bien, os hayáis sentido familia y os esperamos el próximo año. Gracias.
Hello guys, we are in Aranjuez, Spain. It's our 5th anniversary. You are welcome to visit. Only today we are open, but please come next year and enjoy the trees. Thank you very much and hope see you next year. Ciao.
So we're here at the 5th UBE convention just outside of Madrid, Spain, in a beautiful little town here. And I thought I'd share my thoughts with you guys a little bit about the exhibition, kind of what I thought about the overall presentation here. So one of the main things that I was blown away with here was obviously the quality of the trees, but beyond that was the quality of the presentation. That's everything from the stand selection to the way that the tables, the physical tables here set up with the cloths. There's not a single wrinkle anywhere. Everything is just perfectly put together. So very, very impressive overall. This tree right beside me here is one of my all-time favorites here at the show this year. This is a Sabina juniper that was grafted with Itoigawa foliage. I spoke with the owner of the tree. He told me that he put on only 6 grafts on this tree, scion grafts, and was able to build it out in a very short amount of time. But pot choice, you know, the way the foliage has been placed, there's hardly any wire on it. The bark has been left on the tree rather than cleaning it off, which I think is a nice subtle touch. And just the overall presentation is beautiful. So it's a pleasure to be here, a pleasure to see such awesome trees like this outside of Japan. So just want to thank the organizers for inviting me for this. So this is another one that was one of the top winners here this year. This is actually a mugo pine, but it's got incredibly tiny needles on it, which is fantastic. I'm not sure if that's genetic or if that was cultivated to be like that through certain techniques. I have a feeling it's probably more genetic than anything. Trunk is absolutely incredible. It's a little different than, say, what we might do in Japan or what I might do at my garden in terms of brightening up the deadwood, but in person it gives a really interesting contrast, almost like a juniper. The cool thing about mugo pines is that quite often they'll have almost like a live vein type structure to them, more similar to a juniper than to other pines. So I think you can get away with a little bit more contrast between the deadwood and technically what is the live vein on the tree. But another spectacular plant and one that's very cool to see in person. I've seen this on YouTube and in photo albums and on Facebook in the past, but it's really cool to actually see it in person.